a Swiss-based startup, and what we do is we realize that there's a big issue. If you want to bank those, there are 2 billion people which are unbanked in the world, and most of them are in the developing world. And we've realized that so far we've tried to push, and when we say we as the development world and the financial sector, we've tried to push individual-based financial services, be it loans or accounts. And this is the way it works in Europe. But in Africa, in Asia, and Latin America, it's actually a collective way of savings. People save in group and people lend to each other in groups. So we want to actually revolutionize finance by making it collective. What we do is we try to get the essence of the informal sector, because informal sectors we've been saying informal sector for finance is bad, but actually if it still exists is because it has something that works, and it's its efficiency. It's hyper efficient. You go to a money lender, the same day you have your money. You go to your bank, then maybe in 2 months you might have your money, right? So we want to extract the essence of the informal sector. And what's that? In order to do that, we need technology, because we want to make it formal, but with the cost of the informal. So the only way to do that is technology. What we have is an Android app, which is already working in Benin. And it allows for ladies in the market, so micro-entrepreneurs who don't have access to accounts, to basically we give an agent, a field agent, a smartphone, and we work with the post. So these are field agents from the post. We gave them a smartphone with our application, and it's connected to the MIS, the Management Information System of the post. And so in real time, we can open an account in the markets, on the doorstep of people, open an account, and then collect the savings. These are small trickles of money that the ladies are saving. And if you ask them to go to the post, they will have to wait in line, and they will have to leave their market stall, and they don't want to do that. So that's one of the reasons why they're not banked. The other one is they're afraid of entering a bank or a post office. So by changing the paradigm and going to them, we're actually facilitating the opening of accounts and having these guys every day going to the market and collecting the money. So this is real on the ground, it exists. And one fact that I want to maybe mention is we started the company in March, and in 1 month and a half we had the first client. So actually this is things that you don't see in NGOs or even less in international organizations.